Hey everyone, so in this video I'll be recording a hands-on lab inside a VirtualBox with Windows 10 installed. If you need to install both, I'll be going over that first. Feel free to skip to the start of the lab itself. I've included the timestamps below. So let's dive in. So first we're gonna go and search for the Windows VirtualBox in Google. Then scroll down and install Windows host version. And we're gonna click next. And of course accept the terms. Next. Everything is good. Click yes. And we're gonna install it and just keep all the settings the way they are. So it's gonna take a while. I sped up the video, said enough to bore you with all the process. Now we'll go finish. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get the Windows 10 ISO file in order to run it on the VirtualBox itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and download it now. So after the Windows file is on our computer, we're going to go into the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. I basically named the machine Windows 10. I got the folder, the ISO image file that we need to extract and skip unattended installation. For the base memory, you basically want to keep it within the green lines for the most optimal usage, as well as the processors. I just picked 3. Go next. So I'm just going to leave the slider for the virtual hard disk the way it is and go to the next step. And then it gives me a summary of the hardware and the machine name, which is everything checks out. And I finish, go next. So now we can see all the stats displayed for our new Windows 10 system. The last step that we can do is go under System tab, go into Expert, and for acceleration, better interface, we can select Hyper-V and click OK. And we can start the machine. So now it's going to ask you to install it, and you're gonna have to click on I don't have a product key, and then there are different versions of the Windows that you can select. I've just decided to go for the Windows 10 Pro and go next. And it usually takes a few minutes to load. And accept the terms. Go to the next step, and here it is better to click on the custom version and then select the drive. So now the system will start installing Windows. Once again, I sped up my screen. And now we have to select your region. Set up for personal use. And you have to select offline account with limited experience. Then you have to pick your name, your username, and password. and then enter 3 security questions, and you should be good to go. And accept all the privacy settings. And just give it a few minutes to load. So now Windows has started and you're ready to go. So for this lab, we're going to simulate a scenario when the user would submit a ticket to IT support when they cannot connect to the internet. So first, we're going to go into the search bar and type in settings to access the network internet settings on my computer. And then we're gonna go into change the adapter options. And then it's gonna show the Ethernet adapter, which we're going to right click and disable. So although what I did right now is disabled it on purpose, there could be a situation when the Ethernet adapter can also get disabled automatically. It could be due to corrupt driver or conflicts with other software. So the next step is we're going to pull up PowerShell. You can either hit Windows icon and then press enter, or you can also type in PowerShell in start, and you have to make sure that you select run as administrator. So now that we have our PowerShell in front of us, we can run the first command, which is the get net adapter. So what it does is it provides the name of the Ethernet adapter on your computer and confirms its working status as well. So it's just gonna take a few seconds. You can also use the get net adapter include hidden, which shows all the hidden adapters. And then you're presented with all the information about it. So the next step would be to enable the adapter again after we've disabled it, and this is the prompt that you're using. So if there is no output after you run this command, it means that it's actually worked. And then to test and verify the connectivity again, you can run the test -net connection space google.com. So that basically pings, and now you have confirmation that you're connected to the internet.